Welcome to a transformative learning experience where innovation meets expertise and dreams evolve into reality. Join us in this video where we walk you through some of the highlights of the AI Engineer Bootcamp by KnowledgeHut. Traditional education may follow the beaten path, but our bootcamp is a direct route to mastery. With an industry-driven curriculum, impactful hands-on projects, and real-world applications, you won't just learn AI, you'll live it. Start with foundational knowledge that forms the bedrock of artificial intelligence, including maths and stats foundation and Python programming. As you progress, delve into advanced concepts and cutting-edge techniques, including deep learning with Keras and TensorFlow, NLP, applied ML, neural networks, and more. Finally, acquire next-gen tech skills with courses such as AI with Transformers and Computer Vision for AI professionals to elevate your expertise and shape the future. And that's not all. With 9 capstone projects, 15 case studies, and 130-plus guided hands-on exercises, you will cultivate a comprehensive skill set, gaining practical experience and expertise that propels you confidently into real-world applications of the knowledge you've acquired. KnowledgeHut's AI Engineering Bootcamp is offered in an intensive self-learning mode with practice sessions on Cloud Labs. Get on-demand videos, guided hands-on exercises, auto-graded assessments, and recall quizzes. Access a fully provisioned dev environment and write code right in your browser. What's more, get advanced learner insights, measure and track skills progress, and identify areas to improve in, all under one platform. Our industry-validated curriculum is designed with inputs from our Software Engineering Advisory Board, comprised of industry veterans and renowned experts. The program is delivered by top instructors with several years of experience under their belt. Craft sophisticated projects akin to the elite 1% of AI engineers. We will help you construct a robust, career-ready portfolio that stands out to premier companies. Enhance your skills, bolster your confidence, and secure a rewarding position as an AI engineer. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our successful graduates who are now successful AI engineers at top companies. Enroll now in the AI Engineer Bootcamp and embark on a transformative learning journey. Visit knowledgehut.com, Data Science, AI, Engineer Bootcamp course.